What's up you guys, this is Mo and welcome to your very first tutorial on how to use Java. If you guys are saying, okay Mo, what the heck is Java and why is it so useful? So guys, what Java is basically an object-oriented programming language. If you guys are saying, okay Mo, what the heck is an object-oriented programming language? Because this doesn't sound like English. I mean, it is not English. So what an object-oriented programming language basically mean is everything is heavily focused on implementing classes and creating objects. So this is as simple as I can put it down for you guys, but if you guys are saying, oh Mo, like we still don't understand what this means, so as you guys go along with this tutorial series, everything will clear up, I promise, and you're gonna learn what an object-oriented programming language means. So I mean, I just wanted to show you this page because I mean, you can go to Google and Google Java programming language and you can learn a bunch of stuff about it. But the second thing that I want to show you guys is this. Go ahead in your browser or whatever you're using and go ahead and type in jetbrains.com and this page should pop up. And for this tutorial series, guys, I'm going to be using IntelliJ. IntelliJ is basically a Java IDE. If you guys are saying, okay, Mo, what the heck is an IDE? What an IDE is a place where you can write Java code and it will tell you if you're writing it correctly or not, and it will help you to play around with your code and all that good stuff. So what an IDE is again is a place where you can write code in it that will compile and process it and allow you to execute it as well. So this is what an IDE is. You can be using Node++, Eclipse, or whatever you want, but in this tutorial series, I'm going to be using this IDE called IntelliJ, and I'm also going to be using the professional version of it. So let's go ahead and create our first Hello World program. So right click, new Java class. And let's go ahead and name our class YouTube. Press enter, and this ID is too good. It types everything for us, but we don't want that, so let's go ahead and delete that. And let's just keep the good stuff. And as you guys can see, this IDE went ahead and typed in public class in the name of the class right here. So what public means is basically this class is public, and to create a class you gotta specify and tell Java, hey Java, I'm creating a class. So you're gonna go ahead and type in class, and here is basically the name of the class. So the first thing that I want to show you guys is this. The name of the class must be identical to the name of the file. Simple enough. So let's go ahead and create our main method. So just tap along with me. Public static void main. And inside your parentheses, go ahead and type in string, square brackets, and go ahead and type in args, and go ahead and type in here system out println, and go ahead and type in hello world. So let's go ahead and run that. And as you guys can see, this code compiled correctly. So if you guys have your code compiled correctly the same way that we have it right here, like it printed hello world on your counselor, that means you're ready to move on to the next tutorial. Your IDE is good. You have installed Java correctly, that means you're ready to move on. If you guys are saying, okay Mo, you haven't explained what this means, I mean, I don't get it. So guys, I can give you an exact definition of what each of them mean, but I mean, later on in future tutorials, you will just learn what each of them mean by practicing, and I believe that's like the best way to do that, because if I just gave you a simple definition, it will just get it and forget it later on. But as you practice and as you go along with these tutorial series, you will learn what each of them mean. But I just want to tell you what void means because it's a pretty simple thing. You don't need like other classes or other methods to show what it does. What void basically means is this method doesn't return anything. If you guys are saying, okay, Mo, what the heck is a method? You're going to learn that in future tutorials, but just remember that what void means is a method that doesn't return anything. And this is an example of a method that doesn't return anything. It only prints something out. If you guys are saying, okay, what does return mean? You're also going to learn that in future tutorials. So if you guys got your code compiled that way and everything is going well, so you're ready to move on to the next tutorial. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.